In this video, I gave myself just 48 hours to make $1,000 starting with 0, and this is how it went. So currently, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is 2/17 Friday, February 21st. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right here. So I'm going to have 2 days. So it's currently Friday. I'm going to have till Sunday. I'm gonna have Sunday, so I'm gonna have all day today, all day tomorrow, and then finally on Sunday, 2:20 p.m., the challenge is over. So I'm gonna see, can I make $1,000 in those 2 days? Alright, you guys, so I planned this out a little bit beforehand, and I'm pretty sure I know what the first item is that I'm gonna try and sell, which is this item, wrong item, which is gonna be this item right here, this bicycle, which I got around a year or two ago, but I never really used. It has a helmet. It's, again, in perfect condition. I've never used it. It's just been here collecting dust. But the only problem is that there's no air in the tires. Actually, before I go on, I just noticed something, that it's way too dark in here, so I'm gonna be right back. There we go. Alright, you guys, so now you guys can actually see, and you know, there's some decent lighting here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some quality pictures of the bicycle, you know, with the helmet and everything, and I'm gonna sell it for around, you know, maybe $80, $100 and see what happens. Alright, you guys, so before I actually take any pictures of the bicycle, I'm looking around my garage and I found this thing right here. And if you don't know what this is, it's a kid's jumper. And what I'm gonna do is, because this is a pretty well-known brand, there's probably gonna be some pictures of it online. So what I'm gonna do, so instead of opening this whole thing up, which is gonna take a long time, I'm gonna take some pictures of this. I'm gonna download those photos of this thing already inflated, and then I'm just gonna post those and see if we can get any sales. I'm gonna sell this thing for around $200 because this thing is basically in perfect condition. So I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. Alright, you guys, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but I moved it away a little bit from the corner so I can just take some, you know, some isolated photos. So I can just take some isolated photos of the jumper. I'm gonna do the same thing with the bicycle, and hopefully I can find the helmet. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, so I'm pretty sure I found the helmet. This is not the same helmet that came with this bicycle, but I just found this laying in my garage. And if I do find the helmet that came with this bicycle, I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated. But for now, this is the only thing I can find. It's in pretty good condition, it looks like, but it looks incredibly dusty inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a paper towel with some water and soap or something, and I'm just gonna clean it off, and then I'll post some pictures, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, you guys, so I just posted all of the items, both the bicycle, helmet, and jumper, on OfferUp, and what I'm gonna do for this challenge is, because I don't have time, I only have 48 hours, so I can't be really wasting time and selling, you know, a $20 cup, you know, a $10 chair or something like that. I have to really sell high-priced items to actually reach the $1,000 mark. And actually, a couple of months back, I was taking a walk in my neighborhood, and I saw, you know, maybe they were moving out or something, but I saw a sofa that they were selling for free. They just had it laying in their front yard. It was in perfect condition, and if I picked that up, I could have sold it for, you know, $150, $120, and just made that money for free, basically. And what I'm gonna do, and that actually gave me a couple of ideas. Along with selling the stuff in my garage, I'm also gonna go on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace, and I'm gonna try to find free items that really shouldn't be free, and sell those, you know, pick them up and sell them. And I'm also gonna go around and take a couple of walks around my neighborhood and see if anyone has some high-priced items laying around in their front yard. And so I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. Alright, you guys, so it is currently February 22nd, 11:39 in the morning, and yesterday, right after I recorded that last section, I went on OfferUp and I looked through the free items around my area, and I actually found this TV stand that I think had a missing screw in the front, so I was just gonna screw it back in, polish it, and sell it for around $150, because similar stands are selling for around $300 on eBay and Amazon and stuff. And so I have some pretty good news, because I'm gonna pick it up today, and so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright you guys, so the desk is secured. It's pretty dusty. I'm just gonna clean it up. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix this. And after that, we should be good. And then I'll list it for around 150. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright you guys, so the main parts that need fixing is this thing right here and this thing, because on this side, it's missing a screw. So it's kind of uneven, but overall, it's not too much damage. It's not anything, you know, major. But once I get this fixed, once I polish it, you know, clean up all the areas in cleaning, I'm pretty sure I can sell this thing for around 150, which is going to be absolutely insane. Alright you guys, so I was here editing the video and I was looking up online about the TV stand in the garage, and I found basically the exact same one selling for $400 on Living Spaces and around $400 to $500 on a lot of other places as well. So I'm actually extremely confident that this TV stand will sell for around $150, even $200. So this is actually an insane flip.
Alright. Thank you both.
You just want to put it in the trunk?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on the side. She gonna go get it?
Alright you guys, so wait a minute. There we go. So you guys, we just sold the TV stand that we ended up getting for free, and we ended up selling it for, around 50 bucks. I was looking up online again. It was selling for around $400. So I listed it for around 200. No one bought it all yesterday. I listed it for 150. No one bought it. And then I finally, in the middle of the night, I listed it at around $50, $60. I gave them a $10 discount, which left me with a total of $50. So you guys, in those 2 days, we made, again, $50 right here, which after 2 days is actually really good, because again, we started from nothing. In 2 days, we made $50 from just finding stuff that we found on OfferUp for free. And actually what happened was, and the stand that I actually picked up was on OfferUp listed for free, and they actually left it in their front yard for anyone to pick up, and they listed it on OfferUp to just sell it quicker and to give it away quicker, which is actually why I ended up finding it in the first place. So again, we were 1/20th of the challenge of the $1,000 mark, and given more time, you know, even a week, given more time, maybe even a week or two, I definitely could have made the $1,000. So you guys, if you guys want to see that challenge, 0 to 1,000 in a week, let me know down below. And if you guys learned anything from this challenge, again, let me know in the comments. Watch this video right here. And as always, thank you for watching.